such an exciting time. You know, I was on a farm, this big farm, and there were two little kids there, and they were really nice, and I was helping them do things, and then suddenly I looked up and I saw Miss Finch.
Hello, Big. Managed to find you another lovely bird family. But he's a bird. He'd be happier with his own kind.
And birds? We've got my...
Yes, definitely.
Well, he does seem to have a lot of friends. Not feathered, but...
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Thank you.
Well, I've done it again.
I wonder where Snuffy is. Would everybody excuse me for a few minutes? But I got something I should do. Excuse me, okay? See ya.